Arey, my son, you are back. Namaste, Papa. God bless you, my son. How are you, Father? Is there any problem with you? No problem, Father. You are looking very great, Father. You are looking like that only, like I have left you. It feels like time has never passed away. Son, you haven't also changed. No, no. When you left here, you were very sad every day. But now, look at you. You are like a tiger now. No, Father, no. I am also like that only. Let's go inside. Come. How's life and everything, Father? Everything is fine, my son. Or tell me, son, how's your trip? It was great, Papa. Papa, I want to ask you, why also you don't come to London? I cannot take care of you. I cannot come and see you. Whenever I remember you, you are always busy and I am also busy. And now, what will you do in this old house? Please come with me. Son, this is my ancestral property. Nobody is here to take care. Papa, till when will you take care? Why don't you come to London with me? I'll take care of you. I'll see. I miss you a lot. Now you have come, so stay here with me. Please stay here for 1-2 months and then you leave, okay? Papa, when this thing will happen? When will it be final? Tell me no. It will end very soon. 1-2 months only. Sheila,
Yes, sir.
please get some water.
Yes. Have this water.
Son, she is Sheila. She takes care of this house.
Namaste.
This is Rishabh, my son. Son, she is from last 3 years working with us. Okay. Earlier she used to work in our village. Okay, Father. And then I thought she could come here in our house and help me. That is very nice.
I'll make tea and get it for you.
Yes,
okay?
go. Yes. Hi, I'm Rishabh.
Yeah, I am Sheila.
Your name is very pretty, and by God's grace, you are also very beautiful. I was saying you are here from last which year?
Somewhere from last 3 years?
3 years.
Yes.
I have also been 5 years only outside of this house. You have kept this house very beautiful, like you only. And you have taken care of my father also.
Thank you.
Can I tell you, if you can put some ginger, I have a little sore throat.
Okay.
Okay, I'm waiting outside only.
Okay.
Please make it nicely. Bring it for me. Can I help you with something?
Hey, you? No, I
Yes.
will do it.
Arey, how much work will you do? I'll ask you, why don't you come to London with me? I stay there alone only and I have no one to help. And you only work here.
Yeah, I am here to work.
Arey, but I have no one to help me in London. Will you come with me, please?
You really talk nonsense.
Arey, no, I'm not joking. I'm serious.
No.
Will you come
In
with me?
today's time, nobody is to be trusted.
Hey, you can trust me, please. And in London, there is no one beautiful like you. Will you come for me? Will you come with me?
No. Have you gone mad or what?
I think I have also gone mad. Whenever I see you, I feel very crazy.
Listen, I've got work to
Okay,
do.
that's what I'm saying. Let me also help you. I can also have some chit chat with you. Else, you are very smart and clever.
Thank you. Now you please leave and let me work, okay?
Arey, I have just arrived. I have not come here to leave. I live here for 1 month more.
Okay, fine. I got to go and cook food. I'm getting late. I'm going now.
Tell me, what are you cooking today? You only speak only.
Chapati?
Yes, give to my son also. Sheila, what is your qualification?
Till 8th class?
Pass. Only till 8. That is very less.
Yeah.
Why? Why did you leave your studies?
Actually, my family conditions were such
Oh,
that I have to leave studies in between.
beta Rishabh. Our country is not that much of developed. Our education system is still weak. She looks like she's from a good family. Then why she is working like this? I have asked her once. Then Sheila said me that somebody from village got married to her and he was a drunkard. Okay. And he was dead due to the accident. And due to the lack of money, she started working like this. And when she came to me, I said she can stay here. So we have kept her here. Now she stays outside the room and takes care of this whole house. That you have done really good, father.
Yeah.
Sheila, will you bring the cake?
Yes, I have made it.
So go and get it fast now. Please give me some
yeah.
water.
Have this.
The food is really tasty, huh, Sheila? Where did you learn it from?
From my mother.
Okay.
Tell me, why have you called me over here?
Listen, Sheila, I just want to tell you something.
Yeah, tell me.
I just want to tell you something. Sheila, when I saw you for the first time, since then, I'm in love with you. This thing I cannot say in front of my father, but I'm telling you. Listen, Sheila, I have everything. In London, I have a house, a car, and everything. If you want, all of this can all be ours. I want to marry you. I love you a lot.
Listen, you please go from here, or else uncle will.
I'll leave from here. But you please think about me and let me know by tomorrow. I want to get out you from here and I want to marry you. Please believe me. Please believe me, Sheila, please.
I need some time.
Okay, Sheila. What have you thought, Sheila? Why are you wasting your life here in this city? Why are you wasting your time? Do you want to come with me or not?
You are not getting it. If uncle comes to know about all this, it will be really bad for us. And you don't get into all this.
But I'm not talking about me, I'm talking about you. I'll explain my father about it. He will understand me. Okay, you just give me your opinion. Will you come with me or not?
Whatever you are thinking, that can never happen.
Why not but? You leave everything on me. You just think and let me know about your decision. You are coming with me or not?
No.
But why are you saying like this? You are just a servant here and I want to make you a queen. And you are saying all this. Why? I want you to take out of all these things. And you don't want to come with me? What is the reason?
You don't even know anything about me.
What? I don't know. Why don't you let me know? Please tell me. I'll settle everything. What do you want?
Look, I get 10,000 rupees to work over here. And I got to send that to my native every month. My father has taken loans over there. And from that 10,000, loan is being paid in parts. It's a loan of 10 lakh rupees.
Only 10 lakh rupees. I will get it for you. You just end your loan and come with me. Hey Sheila, where are you? Come fast. I am not getting my kurta. Where have you kept it?
Yes, uncle. I am getting
Please
it.
come fast. I think you are also thinking what I am thinking, then it is okay. Well, what did you think about it? I think Narendra has got Sheila to his house because he wanted to sleep with her. But Sheila is now Rishabh's favorite. Now, one thing is needed by both of them. Come, let's see what will happen. I don't know, but at the end, if you stay till the end, you will also come to know. Hey son, how's the food? It's very tasty, father. It's very tasty. The food which is cooked here is very amazing. Son, you have come here after many years. Have it. That is why the food is really very tasty. Hey Sheila, please get some roti. Give it to my son. Give him some roti. He is liking the food very
Have it.
much. You have cooked it really amazing.
Yeah, thank you.
You have magic in your hands. Did you eat?
I'll have it later.
Hello, Ramkrishan ji. Yes, I'm coming in 10 minutes. Yes, I'm coming. Okay. Okay then. You guys eat, okay? I'll come from the meeting. Okay, father. What did you think?
Uncle will never ever let me be yours.
What?
I mean that even he likes me.
What nonsense are you speaking?
I am telling you the truth. And if you don't believe me, then wake up at 1 a.m. and watch it out.
After 1 p.m.? Tonight after 1 a.m.? My father is doing all this thing? I cannot imagine this from my father. You are no more my father. Sheila, I'm coming from outside. Do you understand?
You?
Why are you tolerating all this thing? You need money, no? I'll give it to you. You just pack everything of yours and we'll go out of this house.
No. I want to take revenge from him.
What?
And if I won't seek revenge, then I won't be satisfied.
Sheila, I can do anything for you. Anything. Tell me what you want to do.
He did really bad to me from a really long time. And I don't want him to be alive. And if I leave him alive, then I will be shattered.
Okay. I'll go and get money for you.
No. I will not go anywhere. I will stay here.
Take this money. Go and keep this inside your room. I'll meet you in the night. Will Rishabh kill his father for Sheila? Or his father has gone out knowing everything about them? What will happen in the story? Will Rishabh get Sheila? Or something else will happen? You will get to know all of this in coming hours. These few minutes will be very exciting. Sheila, just listen to me. Why are you not giving my answer?
Answer?
Yes. Why are you thinking so much? Just give me my answer. I'm waiting you from last few days.
Look, even I love you. But what about our future?
Sheila, you don't have to worry about all these things. You love me and I love you. Now anything happens, I will take you out from this.
Okay. I'll have to
Now
think
also you
about
need to
it.
think. Now you don't have to think anything. Now only I will think how to take out you from this house. Okay?
Yeah. Huh.
Sheila?
Yes?
Hey Sheila, I have asked you to make aloo paratha for my father. You haven't prepared it yet. Papa is waiting for the paratha. Look, Papa.
Yes, I'll make it.
Now you have only 10 minutes. Go, come, make it fast.
Yes.
Father, I'm waiting outside.
Yeah.
Okay, Father? Hey Sheila, listen to me carefully. If you come near my son, do you understand? I will kill you for sure.
Yes.
And listen, come at 1 a.m. in my room. Be on time, okay? Hey, where are you going? Massage my feet. Now. It's paining really hard.
Yeah.
Above. Please do it nicely. Come above. Come little bit more above. Or above. More above. Come to me. Come to me, or else I'll throw you out of this house. Then go and sleep with others, okay? Just listen to me silently. Don't you understand what I'm saying, huh? I have bought you for some work. You have to do according to me, okay? Do you understand, Sheila? You just a...
Okay, fine. Let's do it nicely, okay? Have this. Have this milk.
Just press my leg nicely.
Yeah.
Wow. The milk is tasty, really good. What have you done today? Tonight will be very colorful, I think, huh?
Yeah.
Sheila, just come to me. What did you do? What did you mix in the milk? Sheila, you don't have to worry, okay? I'll make everything all right. We'll do something like this, that the report will say that he has died because of heart attack.
That is all fine. What to do with the dead body?
Listen, beside the garden I have dug a big hole. We'll have to keep him there only. Come, let's start our work. Grab the body, fast. Do it nicely. This is our last night in India. Look, this is your passport.
Tomorrow we will go out of India.
Yes, for sure.
London?
Yes.
I'm really happy today.
Yes, I am also.
You are really cute.
I love you. I love you.
Take this. This is for you.
What is the need for
I have
this?
put cardamom and made it for you.
You have made, so I'll have to drink.
Yeah.
What was the need for this milk? I was... What did you put in the milk? What did you put?
Just little bit poison. The one which you gave to kill your own father? You know what? Why I wanted to kill you?
Why do you want to kill me?
Remember you have said that I look exactly like Sulochana? I am not her carbon copy. I am her twin sister. You bloody cheap. She was my little sister. What wrong she has done to you? She has just loved you and trusted you. And you? And you just broke her trust. You cheated her. And you killed her. Just because you liked someone else. If you loved someone else, then you shouldn't have killed my sister. You should have left her. And because of you, she left our entire family. That night she had called me. She was sounding upset. And she said that something is bad going to happen. But you know, she had no clue that you will do something bad to her. Really bad. You know what? Entire 3 years I had waited for you. I thought when I came over here that this will be over too soon. But you came so late that I kept waiting for you. And that bloody bastard kept using me every day. I didn't even wanted to kill him. But good I did that. You both were from bad blood. He was a disgusting father of yours. Got it? You both are one and the same. Bloody monsters. Now you feel how it feels to face death, bloody monster. Now I will get peace. I fulfilled my promise. I did it late, but I did it. She was my younger sister. She was my younger sister. Why did you kill her? Why did you kill her? Why?
When I saw the end, I was devastated. I hope you all are fine. Greed and jealousy is like this only. May it be for your ancestral property or for some kind of women's. It affects your life anyway. And yes, if you will do bad, you will receive bad. It will take some time, but you will receive bad for sure. In today's episode, we have this much only. Let's catch up with you in the next episode. Namaskar.